Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2 Steps, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your CVS employee account. To do so, just follow the simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for CVS employee login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first link that pops up. After you do so, it will take you to the login site of CVS. Give it some time to load and it will load up on your screen. And here you can see there's a login box, but only for the former employer of CVS Health. To log into your current CVS, you need to click on this link called Colleague Zone. After you do so, a new page will open up on your screen. It might take some time depending on your speed of your Wi-Fi connection, but it will load, so have patience. And here you can see the site has loaded up on my screen, and here you need to input your username and password to log into your current CVS employee account. Now just input your credentials like your username and password and then hit on sign in, and then you'll be signed in into your employee account. And that's how you can sign in into your CVS Health employee account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.